Good day, ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang L'Hopital's rule, no, na technique sa pagkuha ng mga limits na indeterminate. Kapag sinabi nating indeterminate, ito yung 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity na situation. Meron tayo ditong example, the limit of 5t raised to 4 minus 4t squared minus 1 all over 10 minus t minus 9t cubed as t approaches 1. Bago natin gamitin ang L'Hopital's rule, tandaan natin lagi na ito ay applicable lang sa indeterminate. So check muna natin kung indeterminate yung ating example. Substitute lang natin, no? So we have 5 times 1 raised to 4 minus 4, 1 squared minus 1. So sinasubstitute lang natin yung t as 1 dito, no? All over 10 minus 1 minus 9 times 1 cube. So 5 minus 4, that is 1, no? Kasi 1 lang naman to. So 5 times 1, 5. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 1 cube is 9. 9 minus 9 is also 0. So we can confirm na itong example natin ay isang 0 over 0 situation. At ito ay indeterminate. Dahil ito ay indeterminate, pwede nating applyan ito ng L'Hopital's rule. Sa L'Hopital's rule, kukunin natin yung derivative ng numerator and then ng denominator. So, kunin natin yung derivative muna ng numerator. By power rule, pwede nating ibaba yung exponent na 4 and then multiply natin sa 5. So, 4 times 5 is 20. And then, minus 1 dito sa 4. So, 20t cubed. Or 3 na lang, di ba? Minus, next naman, ito. So, 2, multiply natin sa 4. So, 2 times 4 is 8. And then, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 18 na lang. And then, itong minus 1 or negative 1, since ito ay isang constant, ang kanyang derivative ay 0. So, keep it that way. All over, dito naman tayo sa denominator, yung derivative ng ating denominator. So, 10, constant, 0 ang derivative. Minus t, so we have negative 1 as our derivative. And then, minus 9t cubed. So, 3 times 9, that is 27. So, 27t. So, 3 minus 1, so 27t squared. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung limit as t approaches 1. Ngayon, meron tayong bagong expression na related doon sa ating example. Try na natin i-substitute yung t sa 1. And let's see kung mag-iiba yung ating results. So, we have 20. Lagay na lang natin dito, no? Ito na lang. 20 times 1 cube minus 8 times 1 all over, ito, negative 1 minus 27 times 1. So, 20 times 1 cube is 20 minus 8, that is 12. No? So, we have 12 over negative 1 minus 27, that is negative 28. And since 12 and 28 are both divisible by 4, pwede natin siyang i-reduce. Ayan. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And negative 28 divided 4 is negative 7. So we can say that the limit, no, is negative 3 over 7 or negative 3 sevenths. Ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-finalize. No? So the limit of 5t raised to 4 minus 4t squared minus 1 all over 10 minus t minus 9t cubed as t approaches 1 is equal to negative 3 sevenths. And yan ang ating final answer.